Hi, I'm your friend Reco. In this video, I'll show you how to remove duplicate files on Windows 11 using built-in tools only. No third-party cleaner required. Before we start, one very important reminder. Always back up the folder or drive you're going to clean. Or make sure RecoveryFox AI is installed on your PC. If anything is deleted by mistake, this AI-powered data recovery software can help you get files back in just 3 simple steps. Run a quick scan. Preview the results, recover your files. Alright, now, let's see how to remove duplicate files on Windows 11 using built-in options. Method 1. Manually clean up in File Explorer. This is the most familiar method for most Windows users. It works best when duplicate files are obvious and easy to spot. Even though many people already know this method, here are a few tips to make manual cleanup faster and easier. Tip 1. Use keywords in the search box. Open the folder you want to clean. Click the search box in the top right corner. Type keywords like copy or duplicate to filter the files. You can also combine keywords for more accurate results. For example, if you type copy space image and press enter, Windows will return files that contain both keywords. If you type copy space image and make sure or is in uppercase, Windows will return files that contain either keyword. Once the results appear, press Ctrl+A to select all filtered files and press delete, or hold Ctrl and left-click to remove only the files you don't need. Tip 2. Change the view layout. This tip is especially useful for photos and videos. First, open the folder. Next, click View in the File Explorer ribbon. Then, change the layout to medium icons or tiles. These views show both thumbnails and file names, making duplicate versions much easier to spot. If your files are spread across subfolders, you don't need to open them one by one. Just type an asterisk in the search bar and press enter. This displays all files under the current folder. Then simply hold the Ctrl key and left-click the duplicate files you want to remove. Method 2. Use Windows PowerShell. Advanced but powerful. The second method uses Windows PowerShell, which is a built-in command line tool. It is a little complex for beginners, but it's okay. Next, we'll show you how to remove duplicate files using it step by step. Again, make a backup before proceeding. Step 1. Open PowerShell in the target folder. Open the folder you want to clean. Click the address bar. Type PowerShell and press enter. PowerShell will open directly in this folder. Step 2. Identify duplicate files. Run the following command first. Don't forget to change the target path to your own folder. Once completed, PowerShell will display duplicate files grouped by hash value. This command does not delete anything and does not modify any files as well. You can use the file paths shown in PowerShell to locate the files in File Explorer and verify they are duplicates. Step 3. Delete duplicate files automatically. When you're fully confident, run the next command. This one keeps one copy in each duplicate group and deletes the rest automatically. Run this command and still, remember to change the file path to yours. Then press enter to run it. When you see the message, Duplicate File Cleanup Completed, the process is done. Go back to File Explorer. The duplicate files are now gone. You can then press Ctrl+A, right-click, and choose Rename to batch rename the remaining files if needed. This PowerShell command permanently deletes files, so it's always a good idea to make a backup first. But if you don't have one, don't worry. You still have a chance to recover accidentally deleted files with RecoveryFox AI, quickly and easily. For your convenience, the full command text used in this video is available via the link in the video description, so you can copy and paste it directly without typing everything yourself. I'm Reco, and that's all for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like and follow our channel. We regularly share practical tips on data management, storage, and everyday device use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.